How long does Vizio TV last? Vizio TVs are designed to last several years, with their lifespan depending on usage, maintenance, and model quality. On average, a well-maintained Vizio TV can last between 5 to 7 years under heavy usage and up to 10 years with moderate use. Factors such as screen brightness, ventilation, and power surges play a crucial role in determining its longevity. 1. Average lifespan of Vizio TV. Vizio TVs typically last between 5 to 7 years with regular use, including high brightness and long viewing hours. If used moderately, with lower brightness settings and proper care, they can last up to 10 years or more. The lifespan is comparable to other major TV brands in the same price range. Second, factors affecting longevity. Several factors influence how long a Vizio TV lasts. Constant high brightness settings can wear out LED backlights faster. Proper ventilation helps prevent overheating, while power surges can damage internal components. Keeping the TV clean and free from dust also contributes to a longer lifespan. 3. Signs of a deteriorating TV. Over time, a Vizio TV may show signs of aging, such as screen dimming, dead pixels, slow response times, or audio issues. Flickering screens and overheating are also indications that the TV may need repairs or replacement. Addressing minor issues early can help extend its usability. Fourth, tips to extend the lifespan. To make a Vizio TV last longer, lower the brightness when not needed and use power-saving modes. Ensure proper ventilation by keeping the TV in an open space. Using a surge protector helps prevent damage from electrical spikes. Regularly cleaning the screen and vents also contributes to better performance. 5. When to consider a replacement. If a Vizio TV experiences frequent malfunctions, severe screen burn-in, or major hardware failures, replacing it may be the best option. Newer models offer better display technology, energy efficiency, and smart features that can enhance the viewing experience. Vizio TVs can provide years of reliable performance when properly maintained. Adjusting brightness, preventing overheating, and protecting against power surges can help extend their lifespan. If major issues arise, upgrading to a newer model may be the most practical choice.